Why are you still loading? You guys, I have a way to see the chat, hopefully. Yep, I authorize you. What happens if I now go on my own Twitch and chat? Will I see that? This thing is still loading. Oh boy, why I cannot get...
Catching every tear.
There, that should do it. Where do I put this? Here. I have this thing that should actually notify me when the chat is active, but it's not. Oops. It's actually not working. Oh my god, I keep moving the wrong thing. This is annoying here. Can we just do it like that? And this one will be here. Well, you know what? This one can go for today. And we can put that one there. And actually, no. We can put it there. So this thing here should work, but it's not. Why? I don't know. I am connected. What? Yeah, I am connected, see? But somehow still the chat won't do the thing. Loading. Well, can't waste the whole day here. I'll put it here anyway, but I know it's not working, so it's of the use. I mean, it's of probably no use. So where we left off yesterday, we redid the basement. Well, remodeled it, redid the block out for it. And this is what we're left with. So we have this beauty, and it's actually playing pretty nice. Today, quickly, we need to make a crafting system. So in this basement, you can make Molotovs, and we need a crafting bench that looks a bit like this. We're gonna make the whole draft for this thing, and hopefully by the end of the stream we have a working version, albeit not polished. I started looking a little bit into how other games do crafting. I want this thing to be very simple because in this game you cannot craft shit tons of things. We're keeping things very, very bare minimum, very bare bone. You can only craft Molotovs for now, so can't have big lists. Rather something like this, like the Last of Us. But probably, so this could be kind of the UI, but this should be the Resident Evil 8 here should be the simply. So here you have a list of recipes, and the ingredients are listed here with how many you need for each. You press X and you craft if you have the ingredients. I think something like that will work better. That's what I am aiming for. Also, to craft Molotovs, we need just 2 ingredients all the time. Grapes. Here, I don't know what here means, but I know that the grapes go. I think this got screwed. These were the grapes. So you add the grapes in a kind of a funnel. They go down. You place a bottle here. There is an optional hose to make powered up version, of the Molotovs, but we're not gonna care about that. But we need to have it there. And then the bottle. Okay, so maybe we can make it that you first place the bottle like a normal puzzle, and only if the bottle is on, then this works. Then you press them. Huh. Actually, that. So we have 2 ways. that I'm seeing now. Maybe we'll have more even. So either a good old style crafting system, like the one I just described, or something a bit more mechanical, something like that you actually have to, no, this you can't see. Something a bit more hands-on and probably less crafty, but more in tune with the game now that I think of it. Something like this that I initially envisioned would be probably better. I don't know. So you first have to place the bottle, and if you do not have the bottle, none of this thing will do anything. Maybe you can pull the lever here. This is a lever. But it will activate the machine and produce... Can you waste even? No. I will not let you put grapes if you don't have a bottle. So we need a bottle be placed here to start. This unlocks the ability to put stuff here and here. And once you have put stuff here, then it unlocks... Yes, shall we do it like that? Yeah. I think this is the best way, the simplest, and probably the more in line with the game feel. So this unlocks this, which unlocks this, which means we need to be able to lock and unlock interactable things around the... So, and I don't have that functionality as of yet. Let me think quickly how we could do that before diving into the code. So we do need to add an extra check for each interactable. That checks. So basically each of these, this is like a priority thing. This will do nothing unless this bottle and at least one of these two is filled. And this will not even be available unless the bottle is there. So this whole system needs to act as a whole and needs to be aware and needs to flow from this state to this. It's kind of like a little state machine. Should we do it with states? I'm trying to envision it. You place the bottle. How do we detect that the bottle is placed? That is the question. It's not that there's a million ways to go about it, of course. But I want something simple. This needs to be a draft, but needs to be a draft that I don't have to the only thing I want to rework out of it is the art part. So it will look crap, but it needs to work well. Place bottle, transition state, can accept ingredients, and this is always available. And these states are, so the transition between the states is commanded, is controlled by the interaction system. So you interact. If you do it with the right ingredient, it proceeds to the next state. Yeah. Okay. I think I have a vague idea of how to make it. Let's start. So, let's do it in context, shall we? It's gonna be here, so let's get going. Today it's gonna be interesting. I hope that I'm not gonna make this too all over the place like I am normally. Let's make a box that symbolizes our machine. Also, I would like to have just this. No, Jesus. No, 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 no. Oh, God. What happened? My Windows is fucked. See? Not being all over the place. And starting with the right foot. Not. Go back to where we were. Today we're listening pop, guys. Listening to pop. What was it? Was it this? It was. Okay, never mind. I'll keep the reference on another window here that you cannot see. Oh. So, something like that. Actually, that might actually be it. Let's see how it feels. Can I not fall? Why am I falling now? There is no collision. There is something that has no collision just here at the end. What the heck? That is bizarre. There is collision. What is going on here? Is it word partition that is fucking up things for me? Oh boy. Okay, this works. Did you see that? Listen, I don't know what's going on. I will figure it out offline. Jesus! Oh, this annoys me. This annoys me a lot. Like, what the fuck is your problem, man? What is the problem there? Is this a different piece of something? Is it the same here? Oh man, it annoys me so much. No, it disappears there. Like, what the... Load the... It shouldn't matter because word partition is based on where the heck the player is. So it cannot be that pieces disappear. Man, oh man, this is like... This is annoying me. What if I put a cube there? What if I put a cube? Will it be the same for flipping sake? Come on. Today I'm going to commit some bad act of violence towards the game engine. See, it's not even loading. It's world fucking partition bullshit shit piss. Sorry. What the heck? Why was the loading range so small? Come on, dude, I don't have time to waste. Why is it not loaded? But at least now we can walk on this thing. Word partition, I don't know if that was a good choice. Why are you disappearing? Oh, because you're under. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, so now that we fixed the loading range, can I freaking start the day? I know I said I would fix this off stream, but it's really grinding my insides. Dude, I'm getting so confused. Okay, can I go here? Yes. 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 Can we start? Can I bring this thing back and start making the thing? Come on. Okay, it's too big. You're gonna go less big. Like that. Guys, a crafting thing, a crafting machine, it's total fiction. Come on, it just needs to look like something that is a... something. It's something that is something. Like that. Perfect. Now let's make the hose. Cone. Flip it. Flip it on the Y. 180. Bring it up. Lower the height. Give me light. Make it smaller radius. Less height. Bit more height. Bit less radius. Top view. We put it here. We need two, eh? We need two. There are two hoses for the ingredients. 1 and 1, 2. So, either we make this longer or we make this smaller. 20. 15. 20. 30. 25. 15? Yes. Now we can put two of these guys here. Probably can make it 20, come on. Something like that. Let's make this all this stuff. I have a different approach now to things. Props. We make a new folder. Actually, this is more of a puzzle. New folder. We call this crafting machine. And everything goes in here. So meshes go here. And we create them right away. Current folder, static mesh. Boom. This is one. And we make a smaller one. How do they look? I really wish I could see the chat. I'm sorry, that's crap that I cannot. Actually, there is a way I can, maybe. It's by doing this. Keep that one there. If someone right, I'll figure it out. Now I think I can see you. I'll figure it out. So, we'll get rid of that. Yeah. Okay, cool. Nanite 0. Player start. Are we here? Yes. Let's see. The height is almost good. Almost good. This is still a bit too high. Still a little bit. Something like that is better. And then these two go down. And then we try again. Yes. And then here here we got the, here we build the, let's build. God, I love. Yep. Gotta love it. Should be there. Should be there. So we bring this up a little. Yep. I want to see. Movable. No shadows. Okay. I mean, we could do something like okay, we have it. We have it. I don't want to think about it no more. Browse to asset. This is not a static mesh. It needs to become one right now. And then this, go away. This crafting pose. Some crafting pipe. Some crafting machine. Then we need a lever. Lever. Lever is what you have in your stomach. In your body, not in your stomach. Lever. Lever. Here. Simple. Box. Actually, capsule. 0. 20. 5, 3, 4, 35, 40, 50, 8, accept, Some crafting lever. Lever, not lever. Somewhere there. It's like a freaking slot machine. It's too big though. In it? It's too big, guys. It's too big. It's too big. Like that. Probably better. Cool. Let's place it there. Let's bake the transforms. Let's add a little protrusion here. We'll add a protrusion. A way smaller protrusion. 20 by 20 by 20 by probably 10. Something like that here to hold the lever. But it's gonna be 10 too. Something like that. And probably 15. Yo, what's up? We're cooking. We're cooking. Something like that. Should we make it something like that? Yes, okay. Cool. Yes, crafting. Lever, holder, whatever. Just to have a vague idea of what that thing is. So we have our crafting machine now. This whole thing is one blueprint, but I want to keep the pieces independent. So, well, technically, the only thing here that really needs to move is the lever. So the lever will. So that will leave it on its own, but this will combine. But watch how we combine it, we merge it to a new object. And the name is gonna be some crafting machine hole. Object type is a static mesh. Cool, so now we have this thing as a whole. And now this thing can become our, it's just gonna be an actor. Static mesh actor, right? It's just gonna be this and gonna be called crafting machine, and we're gonna yoink it here. Oh, you don't see? You don't see. Crafting machine hole. Boom. Isn't it lovely? So that then we can do this, replace it. Look at that. Neat. This is a blueprint now. Now. No. Can I see the things that I'm doing? Now this is a pretty intricate thing. So this will hold a state. Well, we'll keep all the state for the process that we were talking earlier. We need an interactable. So we need to have interaction here, where the bottle is, so that we can place the bottle, and then interaction on the lever and on these two hoses. Oh, and we need a press. Okay. So this is gonna be an item required. I think we can make it like let me see, blueprint require this. Just there. Yep. Okay. Then we need one here. One here. Let's see how it looks. It's quite crammed with things. Cool. I think it works pretty decent. So we have those. The lever should be another thing. So let's make this to... Although this is part, technically, of the crafting machine, in it. I think we need to do another static mesh here. It's gonna be roughly around here. Yeah, let's combine these two for now. Fuck it, I don't know. This is gonna change anyway. Static mesh, we put it in the meshes. So easy to work like this. So much better. So much better. Now that we have it, oh come on. No. Oh shit, did it delete that? It's here. Come on. 90. Let's place it back there. Okay, come on, these two. Convert, static mesh. Can we? Oh right, I need to merge them, I'm stupid. Merge them. That's what I wanted, not convert. SM crafting lever. Hold. But actually, we don't need this. There's never gonna be another one. So this is just gonna be the crafting lever. And the crafting machine is actually gonna be just this. Okay, cool. So here we put lever. And we stick it just out there. We'll figure out where exactly to put things and how they play together. So, lever, and actually, oh, okay, so the root is this. Not sure if I like that, I don't care. I can add another root later if I want to. Cool, so then, this whole crafting machine should actually be an interactable actor. So we are already wrong. Well, this chat thing is useless. Interactable base. Yes, better. I know it doesn't look like, but it's better. Let's do it like that. Lever stays there, and we add another static mesh. We'll bring it back. We'll bring it back. There it is. No worries. But now it's also so. We can make it a toggleable. So that when you toggle it, grab the lever. Sorry, 1 second, guys. 1 second, you guys. I still need to check that my voice comes out clear. Does it? Does it not? The fuck do I know? Custom timeline. Yep. Activate lever machine. Lever pool. Same old one. This is a cool thing that I can recommend. Using timelines being from 0 to 1 seconds is the best thing, because then you can control the time using the set. You can then basically, if you make it 0 to 1, yeah, you're there. You can then set the play rate and then do 1 divided by whatever, how many seconds you want that to take. You want the lever pull to take 5 seconds, you put 5, you put 2. You have so much more control if you make the whole timeline just 0 to 1. Anyway, lever. So the lever should turn on the X. Oof, we need to fix the pivot. We need to fix the pivot. We need to fix the pivot. It's such a pleasure to work with this tool of Unreal. No, really, I'm not kidding. Look, you can just add and fix the pivot in editor. Isn't that like the most amazing invention done by mankind? There you go. So now if we turn this, yes. And so if we see, we need to replace it a little bit, but that's fine. Here. Plop. Yes. Okay, cool. Cool. So it needs to add relative rotation, yes, to the lever on the X, and we are lerping the rotator between 0 and 90. No, 90. If it's on, well, that's it. It can only turn on. And then when it's finished, we basically get this and play from end. Can we play from end? Reverse. There you go. With delay a second. Clunk, clock. So, 0.8. Should it be then toggle on button, no outline, chop. So let's see. There's too much clutter. You need to go. You need to go. And something was not working. This is not working. So that is. But the machine here looks like it does not have collision. No, that's not possible. It does have collision. So what is the problem? It has that. Oh, let me see. We might want to give it get interaction root lever. Yeah, but it's still not picking that up. See, it's picking up this, but not the lever. Not the lever. Vadim. Asian local dynamic, which should be fine. Interaction. What if I, just for a moment, take this, take this, take this, get them out of the picture for a second, and then do this, so it's, let's see. It's still not doing anything. Let me see if the interaction is actually picking this up. It should, but I don't know why it's not. See, it's not big there. But feels like it's there's nothing here. Why? This is weird. This should not be happening. What's the deal with you, man? Quickly. What if I... This one works. And I can also... So what's the deal with you, man? Oh, did I click that? Did I? I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Somehow I clicked this button, interaction enable off, for some reason. Well, never mind. Or maybe it was off by default, I have no clue. Anyway, I knew that the interaction code was fine. Okay, so again, let's try this. Fun. It's working, but it's also not. Shortest path. Delay 2, just to give it a second. What are you doing, dude? Like, really, seriously. You need to add from you need to go from 0 to 90 on the X. That's what you're doing, from 0 to 90. Oh, I'm adding. It's weird. Now, would you get faster, please? It's breaking my balls how slow it is. On fire. So, 1 second to come down is unacceptable. So now that thing that I told you before comes into play. You can just lever pull, let's set the play rate, set play rate to way faster than 1 second, like half of it. See? See? I'm not telling you lies. Cool. So that works. That's all good and fancy and dandy. Now, now the very hard part, which is making the state for this. So I feel I need to draw this thing somewhere. New whiteboard. I don't want anything, really anything, just okay. So it starts in a how would you call it, like in a start state, starting state. From here, shite. Add bottle, and we go into with bottle state. From here, you can well, you can do two things. Okay, let's first make the sunny day scenario. So you add the bottle, then you can add 2 ingredients, grapes and secret. I'm not gonna tell you like what's the other one now, but you can add another ingredient and make the Molotovs more powerful. And either of this, whether you're with both or just with one, you then go into, well, technically, if that's the thing. If you add both, it's a thing. If you only add one, so I feel like the final state will still be like just like ready. Then pull lever, craft. But this, so no, here is the thing. Here we will decide whether we craft M plus, Molotov plus, or craft Molotov. And here is whether you have one ingredient, and here is if you have the secret one. Right? So start, well, I need to understand this mostly. You start, and at any point, that's the trick. At any point in this thing, you can be pulling the lever, and pulling the lever. So there needs to be like an overarching kind of thing, state, that keeps checking whether you're pulling the lever or not. And if you're pulling the lever, then according to what's the state, oh no, that's the thing. So you pull the lever at any point, and according to where you are along this tree, different outcomes happen. So you can pull the lever here, and if there is no bottle, then it does nothing. You can pull the, so let's name the states. So, well, they are named, but we'll get there, we'll get there. Not with that music though. Pull the lever at any point in this. That's what's triggering me. You can pull the lever at any point here. That's a problem. problem, man? Pull the lever. Where do we put this logic? Pulling the lever should fire some sort of check. And according to, and it should quit. So who knows this? This is the crafting machine. Whatever. Then the lever, it's also the crafting machine. So the lever can query itself and say, okay, where we at? If you're here, and press the lever, then do nothing. If you're here and press the lever, then do nothing. If we are here, then yes, do something. I know I'm slow, but I just don't want to butcher this. I just don't want to butcher this. I want to have a version that kind of works. Well, that works, not kinda. It shouldn't kinda work, it should work. End of story, forget about it and move on. Press the lever, goes through the... It just sends an event, lever pressed. So we need to have a failure state. That's the thing. We need to have like a global failure, which you transition from start, which you transition from with bottle. If you place the bottle, you can still fail if you didn't put the ingredients. If you place the any of the ingredients and the bottle, you cannot fail. But the problem also arises here with the fact that you technically can also do this because these two are parallel. So you can place first the ingredients and then the bottle, or first the bottle and then the ingredients. Those are still valid things. So that means that this, it's a state on its own. Like these two together are a state that can go to failure until that state is solved. And that state is solved when you have both the bottle and an ingredient put in. Doesn't matter in which order. Shall we start to model this? I think I want to try it with a state tree because it's probably the easiest thing for me to visually look at. Let's try. Let's create a state tree then. Just a state tree component as the crafting machine. So, according to our beauty here, we have a starting state, like empty. Then we have a ingredients field, like ready. Because we don't move out of the start state until this is done. So from empty, We move to ready only if both ingredients are there. And then from ready, we move to crafting. And then we have a failure. Yeah, something like that. So failure is gonna be this. And then the rest can stay as is. So, well, already we can make it green. I don't know if we need the crafting state, honestly. Well, maybe yes. Okay, so now how do we... From empty, we will transition to ready only under certain conditions. The condition is that we have the bottle and that we have an ingredient. So as tags, let's try to use tags for this. Can have any tag, okay, let's make a few tags. Promoted parameters, okay. Let's add a new tag called crafting machine dot as bottle. We put it in the dungeon crawlers, and then we add another one. Add subtag crafting machine as ingredient as grapes, because I want to differentiate, and then add a new tag, sorry, add a subtag as secret ingredient. So now we transition, we'll see when, but if those two tags are all there, so at least this and the grapes for now. So we rename this required tags to craft. Okay, so we go to ready if we have those tags, all of them. Here on ready, just to visualize this, we put a debug task and say ready. 4, and we make it green too, and we attach it to the context actor. Yes, cool. We can actually do crafting machine here as our actor. Cool. Now we need to add these tags to this machine. How and when? Well, here is where these guys come back into play. We need these guys, basically. Let me see. Just need to place a tag on this when they are successful. So we need to make a specialized version of this. Yeah, we need to replace them with. Hold on, we'll get there. Item required. Yes. B item required crafting machine. Maybe I will make this even more generic, but basically what this allows us to do is to, on success, actor to tag. I'll show you what I'm brewing here. It's kind of cool. And then tag to add. Gameplay tag container tags to add. And on success, add lose gameplay tags, and we add these. So now we replaced this with this. This we don't need it anymore. This, can I do it for both? No, never mind. Replace, replace. So the only thing standing in our way now is that this crafting machine needs to have tags added, and I don't think we can do that. Tag, no, gameplay tag, no. We should make the yeah. We should go C++ a little. Let's close this. Let's grab our interactable Atmos World interactable. Oh, it is a gameplay tag asset interface already. That is lovely. Okay, then we don't need C++. I mean, because I've already done it. Cooking. Should have checked before closing. So that should be working already. And in order to check, when we toggle, we are gonna get owned gameplay tags. And then here we split, and then for each of these guys, then we print them out. For each of them, we print them out when we activate it, so we know that this thing worked. And then each of these will have actor to tag, which is going to be our crafting machine in our case. Boop. Boop. And then they will have a tag to add. If I manage to click them, and the tag is crafting machine, in this case has bottle for this one, and then the secret ingredient will go there. So let's start with the grapes here, and then we do crafting as secret ingredient. So each of these independently will tag this machine when they succeed. And what does it mean to succeed? It means that they have the right item. So let's create the right item. Item definition ed grapes, Will not make an icon right away. Unless I already have something. No, okay, never mind. We'll just take this. Grapes. Just placeholder. Cool. But at least we have the grapes. Sorry. We need a bottle too. The grapes go here. This one here will be bottle. Let's use this for now. Actually, no, I need a like a no icon kind of placeholder. Is there something? There's something we can use as a no icon. Whatever, placeholder there. Bottle. Now we have the bottle, so this will require a bottle. Let's test that they work. So let's add 2 pickups here. Pickup these. 1 and 2. This one will have a bottle. This one will have the grapes. Let's try. Right. In order to use them, I need to tag them. No, I cannot bulk edit the gameplay tags. Okay. Puzzle, item, copy, paste. Oh, come on. Puzzle, piece. Great. Now we should be able to use them. Took. So here we put, well, grapes should give us that message. Bottle, yes, well, we need to make it appear, but let's pull this. Why is it not working? Haha, I'm stupid. It's not working though. There is something that is not working. Let me see if this is executing first of all. Piece by piece. We'll get there. Yes, tags to add has bottle. Upper to tag. See, crafting machine, perfect. Can I actually do this? No, never mind. I do that, but let me see again. It won't even print a thing. Okay, I want to be here. Debugging. That is working, so that's good. But this is not being added. Oh, I didn't implement it? No, I do have it. Tag container, append tags. Gameplay tags. Gameplay tags are... Why is everything scribbled? Weird. Anyway. I should take this. So, gameplay tags, blueprint read write. You fucking mental, Fabrizio. This should not be like that. It should nothing. You should just get them through there. Edit anywhere? I find it a bit funky that we can allow to do that. The stream is gonna go past 11. I need to finish this. So it's worth to do it on stream at that point. I'm not sure about this guy. Lose. A container interface? How do you check Unreal? Check gameplay tags on Apple. Hold on. What if, just out of curiosity, just to test a thing here, since they are writable now, gameplay tags, set gameplay, which is stupid, but I want to see if this works. It still won't. So I am thinking that the tags are actually added, but they are not. This is not the right way to read them. Let's have a read, shall we? Actually, get owned gameplay tags. Is it different than the one we were? No, it's the same, right? Yeah. What if we do... I mean, we have this. What if I do that? Still, it's not even like going through here. See, it's not even printing hello. Which is... Oh, because probably this is empty. Probably because... Well, necessarily because that's empty, but why? Okay, I need to sort this out. I think if I do this, and I do this, that will work. Yes, has bottle. Problem is, thus is not enough. Ooh, reset syntax, that's disgusting. That's actually not disgusting. Because that's the container you've been passed from the outside. So you first empty it, and then you append whatever gameplay tag you have. Is there any documentation on the loose? Like, how do I add tags? Add gameplay tags to actor. Come on, there must be a freaking simpler way. Gameplay tags are adding tags in present and isn't defined. Applying tags to objects. Apply tags are defined from another gameplay tag container to variable to the object. Check. I do believe that that's a container. What we have? Yes. Use the gameplay tag function to the specified tag. Oh, okay, right. So, actually, shall we actually get owned? Why? Why I cannot get it from here? This is the question. Let's do it like that. Which should... What is it? Then return this. Well, this is not compiled, but still. Add gameplay tag to that container. Tag to add. Oh, can I add a container? Add tags. Can I add a container? And this. Much better. Yes. Okay. And then let's see if that does the trick. Tick. Tick. That does not do the trick. Get owned gameplay. Come on. Dude, this has to be it. This has to be it. It's absolutely not, and I knew that this wouldn't have worked, but why in the world would you not work? You are my fire, my one desire. No, you are gameplay tag asset interface. I don't care. We'll figure this thing. I don't care. This is too important to not be figured out. I'm getting serious here. You still see me? Let's see. Are we doing something real? Thank you. What is it doing? Why is it taking so long? Yeah. What? Why did that disappear? Yeah, right. Okay. Because now, get owned, we need to go through here. And I'm going to... append gameplay tag containers. In tag container is... tag, whatever, and then print and I want to get this, no, get this again, break it for each, and then I want to know them. So we're adding this and then we're retrieving it right away, and I want to see it happening. Append salt tag into the inner. Should I then reset it? Add tag to add specified tag to the container. Add tag. This is a container. Use the add gameplay tag. So we need to do just one. That is so weird, but okay. Does this work though? So then we are checking what's inside. See, it's not even this is not working. Maybe we need a delay. Dude, like, seriously, what the fuck? Failed. And why? Doesn't listen. Lose gameplay tag. Money as a lose gameplay tag. Ah, it wants an ability system component. That's why it's failing. That's okay. So that doesn't matter. But how about I do add gameplay tag. How is it so hard to add the gameplay? So gameplay tags, we have them. I just removed access to it. Nice. So there is a blueprint callable get own gameplay tags, which is this one. Okay, good. Which returns this, which returns this, passing in a made container, okay, and then we append our gameplay tags. So the trick is adding tags here. This is like the centerpiece that's gonna move this whole behemoth here, which is actually a very simple system, honestly. changed a few states, but if we don't have tags running fine, then everything is screwed. Thinking of it, I think I should just expose this and let other thing add to it, but that's how it was before and it was not working. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Also this one. Oh, fuck me. I forgot that. Yeah. Another half an hour now. It was slow to build. It wasn't. Something has changed. Project has grown quite a bit, honestly. But too shitty light. So now you should have the tag. What is this thing doing? Update. certain... Why is that called now and why is that called what? Delay. Is that the problem? Why is this? Why is get own gameplay tags called before adding? Tag container is empty. Yes. We add gameplay tags. Gameplay tags are empty. Of course, if you add it in that order, but first you should add it and then wait 5 seconds. Let's see. And then you should fetch them. But this is called after that. What? And of course it doesn't make sense. What? So if I do this, it's still getting the owned ones? I think getting them is part of the... Hold on. So it's calling this. There is something incredibly wrong here. But I'm not understanding the logic of it. Right? Like, I don't understand. Just don't. Okay. Calm, everybody. Let's figure this out. Get own gameplay tags. Let's call when we toggle. And this is calling this, which is coming through here, and it's appending whatever we have here to the query. Good. Before going there, we have added tags to our tags, to the gameplay tag, so that when we reach here, actually, let me do it like this, because maybe debugging is a bit funky. Retrieving G tags. Let's compile that. Because it seems like, for some reason, it's calling this out of order. And that would be what fucks it up, but it's not possible. Because why would it call it out of order? So let's go first here. We get the own gameplay tags. We append. Okay, let's try that. So, photo. Every time I'm... What? Why is it getting the... What? Okay, every time I get this, it's getting gameplay tags. Interesting. Also, when I put it there... Now. I am beyond puzzled. Add a gameplay tag to the object. We have it. Use the add gameplay tag to add a specified tag to the container. Let's remake this blueprint read right. Oh yeah, it's gonna fail because... Yeah, I know. Yeah. It fails. See, but fails quickly. Come on. Chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Good, you failed. Now run again. Come on. Best viewers on direct viewers. I want to delete this thing. Why do I have bots? I am no one. Why do you... Oh, it's trying to make me buy viewers. You don't understand why I'm here, my friends. Buy viewers. Fuck off. Is there a way I can send you to hell? Can I ban you in a way? Can someone tell me if I can ban this thing in a... I got a chat here, like, I'll show you. Message, see? Best viewers on wherever it is, and I don't want that kind of shit on my channel. I need to find a way to ban bots like that, if it's even possible. Must be a way. Anyway. So this is wrong. For some reason, because if then I do, should I feed it like that? Maybe. I thought it was automatic. Fuck! Fuck! Look! You need the self. Look, it just says self, so you would normally think, oh fucking, it's already automatically taking in self. Well guys, it's not. It's not, and for this little thing, I lost like 40 minutes just because this thing needs a freaking self when it says that it has it already. Don't fall in the same trap. That's what I'm saying. That's basically the lesson we can all learn from this, is to not fall in the same trap. You need a self, guys, when you use get on gameplay tags. And here I was like bashing my brain on this thing that was like, why wasn't it working? Fuck off. Am I swearing a bit too much? Ban me from everywhere. This is cray. Z. Okay, so let's go back to the original idea then now. Can't believe I wasted all this time. So, would this work? Let's see if that actually is working. Let's not add anything here and see if adding the bottle there does anything. It does not. Let me see that it's set up correctly. So this, that's this there. This gets this, and let me just add a single tag. Come on, add gameplay tag, because I know that that is what worked. Add gameplay tag, just make this. Okay. Not working. What's the problem now? So if I do the same exact thing, it's a bit different though. Okay, let's try, even though I really do not like. Let's cast it for now. Just to C++ class. It's a bit better. Just cast this fucker. Gameplay tags. Let's do that. Ability ID. Will you please tag the actor? It's tagging it. Okay, so somehow get gameplay tags owned tag asset. This is a lie. This own gameplay tags here is it's a hoax. It is not, and it's probably working in ways that we don't even understand. But it's very weird. So for now, we leave it like this because I don't have time to figure out what exactly is the counterintuitive way to work with a gameplay tag asset interface. This works, it just requires the actor to be interactable, but it's 99% of the times it will be, so why optimizing that when there is probably no need? Then we have this that's now working. Does it work with append? So that we can add multiple tags if we want. Arguably, this is not needed, so this is also something that I'm doing, but it's not needed. Let's see. And now I'm just more curious than anything. Yes, it does work. Okay, cool. So that adds the bottle tag. This adds the grapes tag. So now let's bring the grape back. The grape. 0.1. Come on, come on, come on. No. Don't start. 0.1. Okay, let's pretend that's a grape. Let's pretend that's a grape. Let's pretend that's a bottle. Let's try to add the bottle here. Tell me it doesn't work. Great. Bottle there. Grapes here. It has grapes. It has bottle. Cool. So now, finally do some logic here. Now, what do we do with that information? State 3. Let's assign the crafting machine state 3. Now, it starts in empty state. Idle. Whatever. It starts with empty. And we have configured to go to ready, uncompleted, whatever that means. If tag container in. So here we actually do want why I cannot read this out of my actor? Maybe we can just send an event. Let me think. From empty, you go to ready. If you have both tags. So on event, we need to make an event. We need to make an event which is here. Could work. The tag is crafting machine state check activated. Crafting machine activated. Shall we do it like that? Yeah, okay. And then here, crafting machine activated. We go to ready if has tags match type all. And now here though I have a problem because I would need Why I cannot get the tag container from the actor? Like here. Did I make my own? What if we delete this? Hey, where's my music? Where is my music? Okay. Question is why I want here to have an actor, right? And then can I? No. Why I cannot just get an actor here and check if it has the tags? How are we like, how is this supposed to work? If you are giving the query and you're giving the container, then how is this supposed to work? I want this to come from the outside, huh? Why does this make no sense? So, guys, like, I intuitively would like this to be the actor that runs the tree. And there, I check if I have the tags. I have no time to mess around with this. So we make a new condition. And I will never look back. Has tags. Simple. And then we just take in an actor. Take in an actor, which is going to be from the context, as matching gameplay tag. Although, no, that won't work. Get we need he really wants that. Okay, fine, we'll do it. I'm gonna freaking compile it like this, otherwise it's gonna take half an hour. I hope that the header thing will work, but... Very risky what I'm doing. And now this should be filled. I'm rushing, yeah, of course. Of course! And when this happens, I'd rather do that. Rebuild the whole thing, man. What a day! 2 hours and 07 of stream. And I'm not close to be done. I'm gonna get some snacks. Why do you ask if you cannot? I need to figure out what this thing is because it makes no sense apparently. Why don't I have... Oh, I didn't even save... Condition STC. Save this mother cracker. So now... Actor... Save the whole thing. As matching gameplay tag. Well, tags. As all matching. Is that the one we... As all, yeah. So now you have that. Like I would expect that what they built in was this condition, huh? But it's not. Who am I to say that that's not right? But I don't care. As our actor has bottom, yes, then we go to ready. And ready, for now, we run indefinitely and we're staying ready. Is this running right away? Taking a map. Run automatically. When you toggle, you send this event. When you send that event, here should activate. Go to ready if we have the tags. Can we run with the debugger? We should. Oh, I cannot. Okay, let's do it like this. Put the debugger Somewhere here. Can I? No. Never mind. See. Okay. Okay, we're in empty. Haha, it transitioned to ready. See, that's great. Like, honestly, what I made, it's not rocket science. But small things like that, where I misunderstand how something works or something is arguably not really intuitive, can derail a whole morning of work. But this is now working. It's transitioning state decently, and now we could require this to have both the bottle and the grapes. So now, technically, we get the bottle, place the bottle, shouldn't work. See, it's not going to ready, but we get the grapes, put the grapes, and now it's going to ready. Cool. I like it being colored. Do we need the failure state? Let me recheck my original idea. So failure. Well, technically, yeah, we can like, if it does have these, we go there. On the same event, look out. On the same event, let's see if this works. Crafting machine. I've never tried to do it like this. Activated. We go to failure instead. If we have no, if the other condition doesn't pass at this, oh wait, on failure, what we're gonna do is just delay for 2 seconds. We can play some animation, but anyway, fail. And when it's done, we transition back to empty. So now this should give us what we want. Only the bottle, press, fail, and now it's back to ready. Grab this, well, put this one here, activate, ready. We actually technically, what should happen is that we don't go to ready when we press the brewery thing, the lever, but we go there every time we receive, every time we are tagged, basically. The thing is, I don't think that there is a way that we can do that. Wait. Gameplay tag add to actor to self. Let's see. Has bottle. Let's see this. Print bottle placed. I'm not sure this is gonna work, but maybe. Yeah, it's not. That would be very handy. The ability component, see? We need an ability component. How is that? How is it doing though? That maybe we can replicate wait gameplay tag add to. Wait until a specified gameplay tag. Okay, what are you calling? New object. Oh, so it's creating this. Oh, which is a task. New ability sync. Oh, it's so deep into what is this? Concept level async action. Ability sync is a bit of ability specific blueprint async action. There are similar ability tasks, but they can be executed for many blueprint like an actor and are not tied to a specific type lifespan. A specific ability lifespan. Okay, but definitely I kept alive. Okay. Is there a way in Unreal that we can get notified when a tag is added to anything? Like music. I want music. Come on. Johnny Marr, Rebel Spirit. That's what we're playing now for this extra extended streaming session. What if I get my gameplay tags and wait added? Now there is no way that we can. The only way would be to send a notification here, hey, we've added it. Do we want that? Do we want that? But then how do we do it? We need to an interface, we need to complicate things a lot. I think it's fine. I think it's fine that we just check every time we toggle. I think we check every time we toggle, and ready means nothing. This will become, yeah, well, crafting. So either it's empty or it's crafting, and in crafting we do delay task. Gonna take a couple of seconds, like 3 seconds. Let's add a text green saying crafting your, well, 4 on the actor, empty, failure 4 on the actor. What's missing? What's wrong? It's empty, failed authorization, ready. All right. So this goes to ready, or oh right, cannot go to ready. It needs to go to crafting. Bottle, place it there. There. That's correct. We need to add the grapes. Grapes added. Crafting. Blah, 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 blah. And then now all the logic is here. I don't want to see I don't want to see this explode. Even this will be there. Custom event. I'll show you now. Pull lever. So this is then something we can call from anywhere. So for example, here we can look. We can do a new task that is specific to this. Call it state task crafting machine pull lever. When we enter, machine actor, machine, it's gonna be context, it's gonna be beautiful, pull lever. And that's everything this state does. And this is so nice. And then we use that here when it's pulled. So we actually don't need it because the lever will be pulled everywhere. Yes. So we don't actually need that task, but we'll keep it because we'll need other special tasks. So now we can do this, but it's failed. Crafting, yes, good. Basically, the logic is here. I just need to add that when it's done, it's gonna give you a new item. And that is gonna be at the end of the crafting. Here, we need a task. Let's do that. So we don't need a task called pull lever. Crafting machine. Erogate. Like give reward. How that naming? Give item. Give crafted item. So let's clean up a bit of things here. Instead of doing that, whenever we get here, after we wait, so crafting should have a bunch of child states. Yes, should have two, where this one is crafting, so this one becomes filled correctly, whatever, filled, crafting, and then give reward, give item. This will be all crafting, success, filled. Filled will be doing that, but crafting. So let's remove all of this stuff from here. Crafting will be here. For now it stays text. And the actor is the actor and the font is 4. So it's crafting and it's actually delaying 3 seconds, and when it's done, then we go to the give item, no condition. We give the item, and here give crafted item, and then here on enter state we grab. We don't even need the machine actor, honestly. We just need that player character, get controller, well, get player controller, find inventory, add actually, no. It should just transform. It should just basically spawn the item here. That's what it should do. Can I do spawn pickup? Spawn actor from class. Let's create it. Let's create the Molotov item that we already, I think, have. ID Molotov. Yeah, it would be great if I could. Why don't we put it... Yeah, 1 second. Let me reorganize a few things to make this a bit easier. So here, pull lever and custom event, spawn Molotov. Keep it here. Spawn Molotov will be spawn pickup. Of type, no sound out, transform, it's gonna be get... Actually, spawn location, get actor location plus spawn location will have a 3D widget. Flow no owner self instigator would also be self. We cannot pick up, make inventory pickup, make array, split Molotov. Yes, it's gonna be a pickup days. It will have no stinger. That. And let's put our spawn location to be just down there, under under the sink, like there. Yeah, a bit up. Let's put it there maybe. I'm not sure where the pivot is, so that might flicker with collisions. Let's see. Gotta test this. That's that. And then here we get our crafting machine. Gonna be from context. A very specialized task. Doesn't matter. When we enter, we give hint. Well, what did you call it? Spawn Molotov. Spawn Molotov. Boom. Yep. That should do it. Then we need to put it, give crafted item, the machine needs that, and then we good. So, empty, it can go to field, yes, if you have all the things, or you can go to failure. If it goes to field, straight on, starts to craft, and give item. And when it's done, it's gonna go back to empty. That sounds good to me. Put the bottle, put the grapes, fail. Sorry, what? What? Failed, give item. Try select children in order, yes. Why did it go to fail? So the only reason could be that one. Bottle. Grapes. Crafting. What did I mess up? And that's our craft. And here's our Molotov. Huh? Why did it fail though? This is working. This is working, and it's working fine. So we get the bottle, we get the grapes. Did I invert the order maybe? That's what's fucking you up. It shouldn't be. Crafting, no, it's good. There it is. Yep, we need a bit. The pivot point is perfect actually, so we need it to level there. This way it should look better. Thing is, we should already have a bottle there, so that's gonna be a bit tricky, because when we succeed and we craft, then here there will be 2 bottles. So, and also I don't want you to have any of these guys active when you're crafting. So while we're crafting in this stage here, we need to set all of that stuff to not work, to not be able to, you cannot put more stuff in the machine while it's crafting. So we do that. Today it's the longest sprint of them all, the longest stream. Okay, so let's do that. We need a reference to all the, well, let me just maybe item required. So this requires 3 bottle required, grape required. We need to be aware of all those 3 slots. Secret ingredient required. And then we have custom event called disable like interaction, which means that set interaction enable not off. So actually more than disable interaction is like toggle interaction, and here we can say enable or disabled. And then for each of those slots, well, actually we don't need it because we don't have an array. And just, should we make it an array? No, fuck it. Fuck it. Set interaction enabled, set interaction enabled, set interaction enabled. For all of these guys, according to what we will decide from the tree. Then we get another task, set interaction enabled, which will take in, actually this could be a generic one, Atmos interactable, Atmos world interactable, and it's from context, yes. No, I'm wrong. Well, maybe we can make it a bit more generic. Let's see. I'm gonna give it one go. Let's make this a little bit more generic. So then this, instead of this, will be an event to give all the interaction. Nah, it's not, you know what, it's not worth it. For this use case, it's not worth it. So that then, not worth it. Not worth it. So this with crafting machine. Oh, I misspelled it. It's crafting machine. Doesn't matter. So crafting machine, toggle interaction, and then this will be a parameter. Parameter. Yes. Crafting So while we are crafting, actually while we're filled. No, yes, no, yeah, while we're crafting. Set interaction enable off. When we're empty, we set the interaction enable on. So this means that now everything is working. Place the bottle, place the grapes. These are still active. This shouldn't be at all possible. What was the message? It says, oh yeah, of course. We need to give it bottle required. Gonna be this. Grape. Secret ingredient. Let's try again. Yep. Is interaction enabled again? No. Why didn't it go back? Because it should go back to empty, and here it should make it enabled. So why is that not the case? Let me see. I want to see when you are in this state. Idle. 4. On actor. This should be the default state of this guy. Bottle. Grape. Crafting. It's not going back to idle. Give item. Maybe it's... Well, let's specify that you go back to idle when you're done. Not going back to idle. Why in the world? I want to see. I want to see this thing clearly. Play. Ah, give item is not completing ever. That's the problem. That's the problem. So this never stops. It always succeeds. Now we should have a working setup. Yes, and we can put stuff back in. There is a bunch of confusion here. To be fair, this should not reactivate until you collect. So then we go into a state where we're waiting for collection. That's the thing we need to do. We need to wait until the item here is collected. Pick up. Trigger. I want to know when it's picked up. I'll make it. Let's make a Molotov, an actual Molotov. Pick up. So there. So we make it pick up Molotov. So we can actually have some logic on pickup. On picked up, on pick. Come on, can I actually do things on picked up? Wait, what? This is not... I'm in the wrong actor. On picked up. Well, display mesh is gonna be a Sam Molotov. And on picked up, we need to notify the crafting machine. Not very nice though. Because how am I gonna know where the crafting machine is? I should have a subscribable. Ideally, I would want to do a sign. To be fair. Picked up. So that we don't need... Hold on. Hold on. We don't need this probably. Even better. Cool. Let's see if that notifies us when we pick it up. Bottle. Grapes. Cool. Yes, picked up. Cool. So we can use that. We can abuse of that. No props. So here, the bottle required will be reactivated. So we avoid that confusion that's there. See, now there is only... No. Grape and secret ingredient only. So let's name them. I want to see who's who. Edit, rename, item required, bottle. Item required, secret. Item required, grapes. So now we can see bottle, grape, secret. It's all good. Toggle interaction, grape and secret. Oh yeah, no. Right. We should have this, and we should probably have this to do it good. Let's do it like this. And state 3 event, we need just another tag. See. Make crafting machine Craft collected. Yes. So that then give item. We'll just go in a state where it's waiting. See, this is where having state 3 is very useful. Wait craft collection, and only so here we go to wait craft collection, and here we are going to basically do nothing but wait for an event, which is crafting machine craft collected, and at that point we go back to empty. Yeah, I really love working with states machines when there are problems that require a state management. Good. Good. So it's not. It's went to idle. Why did you go to idle? Give item. Give item. Wait for craft collection. Only on event. Do we need to give it like it's gonna run forever, this. That's what's missing. Makes sense. It will work now. Yep. Now you can do nothing but... So this is very also clear for a player. Now you can't do shit with this machine. You need to pick up this. Now you can start crafting again. Oh. I want to see the boss. So there is one more thing. I don't care. Now we are gone. We keep going. One thing that will fuck us up, it's when we place a bottle here, then there's gonna be a bottle that's not being collectible, and it needs to appear here. Actually, let's do that. Let's... Ooh. See? I just thought of a problem with that. The bottle needs to appear when we place the bottle. How do we handle that? Ideally, it would be that this guy, on success, it does this, and then get component by class, state 3 component, send state 3 event, crafting machine, add subtag, bottle. Actually, now we can do this as bottle. Well, promote the variable, event. So this can send an event, and the event can be that as bottle. This one here will be as grapes, so that now Do I want to complicate this? Well, I need another state here where it is... It's part of empty. Let's call this not empty, let's call this idle. Ready. Call it ready. And then here we call it as bottle. And then another task has... These are not... Wait for ingredients. So... Enter condition, required event to enter. I'm experimenting a bit, but I need to have a state where the bottle is placed, basically. Has bottle. But then... bottle placed, we spawn static mesh actor. At the spawn location, actually no. This one I want it here, promote to variable bottle location. So that then we can use it here. But we can also reliably use it here. There you go. Set static mesh to SM photo. And let's do Molotov for now. Cool. Yep. And maybe play a sound, but whatever, bottle placed. So we transition to bottle placed when we receive the event bottle placed. To be fair, this is a stupid state. We can just do that, that, and that. No. Yep. Build is useless. We go to crafting. When we activate, we go to crafting. If we activate and we don't have anything, we go to fail. While we are ready, we wait for ingredients, which means that that should be a task, not a state. It should be a task. New task. STT crafting machine, wait for ingredients. Although this means can I do it just from here, just adding another transition on event? That would be better. Crafting as bottle, we go to empty, empty. We have another state, bottle, filled, then we have another bottle added, and we have another state, grapes added, and they are both, these can coexist. And should they be substates? I'm thinking. So while this is executing, it should not try to select the children's though. It should just be waiting. It should just be waiting for any of these events to occur. And when they occur, we just add a little thing. We add a grape, we add and nothing is going to change on the overall state. So, okay, maybe we can organize it like this. Wait for ingredients. That might have been a decent idea. I will recall this one ready. Spawn bottle. It's bloating up without really a need for bloating up like this. Maybe. No, sorry. Crafting machine. Crafting machine. Context. Yeah, crafting machine, get crafting machine, spawn, what did we call it? Auto placed. And then just hang. I don't need it to finish or anything, but on bottle added, we spawn the bottle. And then we wait. Transitions. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want you to ever complete. Problem is that it's gonna go here, it's gonna go here and get stuck. It's gonna get stuck in here. So here we go back to wait for ingredients. So this should be a loop that can be broken only in that case. Let's see. It's not spawning. Oh, here we go. Calling static mobility static. Mobility. Would that work? Holy shit. Why did it appear? Why did it appear already? Haha, because we're going here. But this can only enter if hashtags the actor has bottle. Boom. And it should, at this point, toggle off this. So the crafting machine should have toggle interaction. Should have a specific event to toggle interaction individual, and then we take in text slot. Let's call it slot, and we find it by name, and then here we switch on name. Well, actually, shall we have here a blueprint enumerator, crafting machine slots? Easier. Bottle. Oh, I'm tired, guys. I'm starting to feel freaking dizzy. Grapes. I want to finish this. Grapes and secret. I'm gonna clean up the code. This is, you're seeing, is just the base, but I wanted to see it fully working, and it kind of is, but also some quirks we need to still finish. Crafting machine slots. So then we can switch And then bottle is this. Secret is this. Grape is this. Set interaction enabled. Plop, plop, plop. Secret, grapes, bottle, bottle, grapes, secret. Enabled, enabled, enabled. So that then now we have state trees task that we can call crafting machine toggle slot interaction. And then instead of doing that, we do toggle individual. And we can expose this as a parameter. Why am I rewriting it? Because I'm tired. Parameter. Boom, boom, boom. So that now here we can, when we spawn the bottle, we also toggle interaction for the bottle. All right, we need to send which slot to. We can also say when we add the bottle, we disable the slot bottle. Boom, and now you cannot add the bottle anymore. See, these little things are important. So that then, now we need to see if adding the grapes does the same. So for adding the grapes, we should see some animation here. But I don't have it now, so let's just play a sound. Like liquid, do we have anything like gurg? An explosion will freaking do. It should show an animation that where the grapes go in this, but doesn't matter as long as the logic works. So then we need to set this one up. Which one is the grapes? This has grapes. Okay, so then here, actually, did this wait for ingredient will have two on event, and on crafting machine has bottle, and the other one will be crafting machine has grapes. We'll actually have a third one, which is, but whatever, we can set one up later. So here it goes to grapes added when it has grapes, and here it goes to bottle added when it has bottle. And bottle added, spawn bottle. Here we go task. We need to create the task for this. So spawn bottle will be grapes added. It's gonna be grapes placed, whatever. Yep. Save, save. So then here, grapes added. This is not a great way of handling it, but it's fine as long as it works. And then as this one, on state completed, go back to wait for ingredients. Right? And we can only enter here if as tags our actor has grapes. So now every time we do something, it should do an action. Why are you crafting? It's crafting already. That's not good. It should go on crafting only if the crafting machine is activated and you have both tags. Why are you crafting? Honestly. Haha. Yeah, well. That makes sense. Activated. Only if it has both. Yeah, that makes sense. You should only go to crafting if you're activated. So this is the only crafting. Let's see what's happening. Shall we? Try enter ready. Try enter what? No, these are all failing. Okay, so they fail. Rightfully so. But this is not failing, right? So this one should be running forever. I think. Why are you still crafting, dude? Like, of all things, you shouldn't be crafting. Let's do that. So we're ready. We go inside. We're actually never coming out of this. So if I disable this state, everything works. Why? At least it was before. No, it's crafting now. Why are you going to crafting? Nothing is adding. None of these states. Okay, let me add this too. Can I copy it? Yes. Okay. So what did we add? Bottle. Let's also add grapes. Copy. Here we do another transition. Paste to grapes so that this don't need anything. Let's re-enable this. And it's crafting. Why are you going to crafting, my dude? Like, it shouldn't. That is weird. So it is on Waitcraft collection. Oh wait, what? It starts. It tries to go and wait for ingredients, correct? Tries to enter bottle added. It cannot. It cannot. But should go back to wait for ingredients. This one has no transition. Maybe that. Dude, you shouldn't go to craft. Feel like the state tree. Yeah, no, it's. Try enter crafting. You should not enter crafting. So these are failing. So this means that this is failing. But then it should go back to ready. If it has bottle, goes there. If it has grapes, go there. Thing is, we should never go here to craft, because you can only go there in this case. It's ready, should go back on this event. Okay, so let's maybe on state completed go back to root. I feel like this is tricking me. Let me restart this. Last attempt. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go to eat. We're almost there. It's such a pity that I wouldn't be able to finish this, but I really need to eat. It's been like I'm live since 9:30. What is it? Like it's 3 hours and 20 minutes. Oh man. Does it even make sense to upload this on YouTube? It's a long video. Nobody would possibly be interested in all of this messing around. So close. We're so close. We are so close, guys. Such a pity. So let me first see. Are you still going into crafting straight away? It's possible. My brain is not braining no more, but I would like to understand why, because you should only be good to crafting here. If you have these tags. But you don't. You do not have these tags. So how is it possible that you can trigger that transition? I think the transition is triggered because, okay, this is failing. I think, no, this is... Are we even running that? Yeah, I think I start to see the issue, I think. So we just need this. Try to enter ready. Yeah. Try to select the children order, of course, so it starts waiting ingredients. This one fails, this one fails, so these two fail. So then this, I think, fails. Yeah, these are failing. Not failing. It's just that this can't enter. This cannot enter. So you need to go back up. Come on, dude. Like, I don't understand why. This should be good. This, I don't care. If I run you forever, would this still cause issues? Yes, it's still going to crafting. It's running forever though, so it's something else transitioning there. Well, I could block this whole thing by doing this. Here, to go in, you require that this actor has both bottle and grapes. No, you can't go to crafting, it's gonna go to failure probably. See, you cannot go there. This thing... Is it possible that it has the tags? It's again doing something weird. Let's print out these tags at start. It does not have those tags, so you are forbidden from entering here. Wait. Where's my enter condition? Where's my enter condition? It didn't save? Or did I add it here? I'm tired, guys. I shouldn't be working anymore. But I don't care. CS tags. My actor. Crafting machine. This bottle has great. Probably also the reason why it's going there, it's something that I'm not seeing because I'm tired. So really the lesson is stop your work. Yes, okay, it's going to fail now, it's better. But so the thing is, this freaking state here is transitioning further without looping back. And it should loop back because everything here loops it. What if I do this? What if I do this? I stop waiting for ingredients. And here I just go back to ready, and here I just go back to ready, and here if bottle added we go to bottle added and go back to ready. Grapes we go back. What if? Well, Now it's just telling me fail. The thing is that the state is not failing, it's just not entering. So we need, I think, an intermediate state. Wait for ingredients. I'm like, oh great, Christmas songs now. Come on, a new one, paste. I can't. Oh, it's because we are on holidays, of course. Last attempt. Has bottle, go to bottle. Has grapes, go to grapes. Ready. We don't need this. We don't need this. Only go to crafting when it's activated. If you have all the tags, go to failure if you try to activate and you don't have the tags. The rest, delay. It's ready, but it's spawning the bottle. Go back. Oh my god, it's working. And it did spawn the Molotov, but we need to despawn the bottle. Can we give them like a little bit of a different color? Just ID Molotov. We're done. I can't even believe it. Like I'm not even happy because I know that I will need to refactor this code, but at least it's done. Let's make it green just to distinguish it and see that this is actually working. Green, perfect. Oh, sorry. Of course I need to do it here. Green. Green. I don't want to see engine stuff though, please. There. Place bottle. Right. Want to see it working well. Spawn empty bottle. Let's spawn a red one and then we get the green one as a symbol of the Molotov. Plop. Doesn't matter, it doesn't fit. No, we don't have that. Now we try to activate. Fails. Cool. Ready again. Place the grapes. The sound of the grapes. Crafting. I mean, the lever doesn't really work, but here now we should. Come on. Come on. Come on. Why are you stuck in crafting, my friend? Give item. Give item. Give item. Spawn Molotov. I want to see this thing working, and crafting will reduce the delay to 1. Because I can't be fucked waiting. So it's getting there. Destroying it. Okay, cool. Why are you spawning it again? And again? Oh. We found a hole in the system. On state completed, you should wait. So, crafting. Wait, uncompleted, give item. Wait, what? Oh, this is a bit weird. This should be a substate. Wait for craft. So this transition here, delete. Wait for craft, task, delay. 1, because yes. Uncompleted. Give item. Completed. Wait for craft collection. And then go back to ready. Will this work? Plop. Plop. Yes. It does, but it does not destroy this motherfucker. That's the last thing we need to do. Crafting machine. Why aren't you... Crafting? So this should not have a delay. Forgot to remove that. Set interaction enabled, yes. That's the only thing that should happen. Tick. Delay 1 second. Give item. Let's delay maybe 2 so that it is clear. It should actually despawn. Well, does not matter. When you give the item, you're running this task, spawning a Molotov, and you should arrive here. It should. You should just get there. Man. Yes. I am very curious as to why this is not being destroyed. Well, I am way too tired now to fix this. This thing is basically working, but I really need to clean up the code. And it doesn't need a lot of tweaks, but I need to finish up these few things that are still not working. This is a big step ahead for the basement, because this is the most complex things is in the basement for sure. And tomorrow we're gonna just add a bunch of gameplay stuff around and make the gameplay and make the basement fully navigable and playable. Hopefully by the end of the day, we'll see. But that's what we're gonna start with. Thank you for following the stream. Thank you for being with me. I am going to eat because I'm wrecked.